Okay, time for me to do another challenge. We've got 3 randomizers. One is the type of protein I'll have to use. The other is what type of dish, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack. And the other one is how much money do I get to spend? $15 to $30. All right, let's spin the wheel. Okay, so I'm going to have to use canned. Please stop, please stop. Stop! Oh my god. Okay, so a canned protein breakfast. And I don't even know if this matters anymore. And I get $30. Fuck. All right. See what I can do. Okie dokie. First thing we gotta do is make a nice sauce for this breakfast burrito. Is kind of what I decided on. So for the sauce, 1 cup of sour cream, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper, and approximately 1 garlic clove that's been minced. And we're gonna need a tablespoon of lime juice. And then you want to add a couple of chipotle peppers that are sitting in the adobo sauce. And just because I wanted this a little spicier, I added a bit of the sauce that was in the can. About a teaspoon of it, if I had to give a guess. And that's really it for ingredients. Okay, and then just blast this in the food processor till everything is mixed together. And then you want to just put this in, I said, one of those squeeze bottles that you can pick up at any store. And then just pop this in the fridge for at least a couple of hours. All right, let's move on to the rest of this challenge. Okay, remember my protein had to come from a can. And it had to be a breakfast dish. This is what I could come up with. And it's Spam. So I'm going to cut this into fairly large pieces and fry it up. Yeah. Hey, when it said canned and breakfast, my brain damn near broke in two. But before we get into that, we're going to make some hash browns. I got some frozen hash browns here. I got about a 1/4 cup of canola oil in the bottom of this pan. And you're just going to want to fry these up till they're nice and golden brown. I think it took about 15-20 minutes. Okay, and here we go. Spam is in the frying pan, and you just want to fry this up. Again, it took about 15 minutes till it reached its desired consistency of what I wanted. All right, next step. Okay, time to make the scrambled eggs. Really nothing new here. I've shown how to make these eggs 100 times on this show. It's simply eggs, a little bit of butter. This is about 6 eggs and a little bit of, like 2 tablespoons of butter. And I'm just going to constantly stir till they come together, going on and off the heat. The only thing that's a little different is no salt and pepper until the eggs are actually done cooking. If you add the salt and pepper beforehand, you kind of break the egg down and it becomes this watery pile of shit. So, no salt and pepper till the eggs are done cooking. All right, let's go to assembly. Okay, we got our tortilla warmed up. I just did it in the microwave. I don't get why people have so much of a big problem with that. It works great. Anyway, first we start off with a little bit of those hash brown potatoes we fried up. And then we have our diced up, fried up Spam. It's not ham, it's Spam. And then you want to add those scrambled eggs that we made. And then you want to add some cheese. And then you want to add the breakfast burrito sauce that we made, which I was having a bitch and a half of a time getting out of this fucking bottle. And then you just want to wrap this up. And you also want to have a frying pan on the range getting heated up over medium heat. Again, carefully tucking and rolling. And then you just want to lay this in the frying pan to get all nice and sealed. All right, and there you can see, fried up, ready to go. And there's the pull-apart review. So that's my Spam Breakfast Burrito Challenge. Done. Okay, and here's the receipt proving I stayed within my budget. You can even slash $10 off the total because I also picked up some apple chunks. So, yeah. All right, now my challenge is truly complete.